Viewers, let's stay with the picture that Deepthi was talking about of Sandeep Ghosh being cornered by the people there. This picture actually sums up the public sentiment in Bengal. Sandeep Ghosh is the ex-principal of the R.G. Kar College and Hospital. While he was being taken to court, the anger and outrage of the public was clearly visible. Some even tried to thrash him. This, like I said, sums up the public sentiment. But let's tell you what happened inside the West Bengal Assembly today. Viewers, in a stunning display of irony, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, under fire for her government's alleged mishandling of a heinous rape and murder case, has demanded Prime Minister Narendra Modi's resignation. This brazen attempt to shift the spotlight from her own failures to the PM's office is the ultimate deflection, viewers. As the head of the state responsible for law and order, Mamata Banerjee's demand reeks of hypocrisy. Her government's inaction and alleged complicity in the case have sparked widespread outrage. Yet she chooses to point fingers at the PM. Viewers, by demanding Modi's resignation, Mamata Banerjee essentially saying, look over there, not here. But will the people be fooled? Will they be misled? They know that law and order is a state subject and that Mamata Banerjee is singularly responsible for the mess. The Chief Minister, who has been accused of shielding perpetrators and intimidating victims' families, has the audacity to shift the onus and duck responsibility. Her demand is seen as a desperate attempt to cling to power and avoid taking accountability for her own failures. Viewers, this comes just a few days after she had threatened to topple PM Modi's chair in Delhi. If you have forgotten, listen to what she had said.
আগে নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে পদত্যাগ করতে বলুন। নরেন্দ্র মোদী পদত্যাগ চাই, তার কারণ সারা দেশে উনি জাতীয় লজ্জা। কেউ কেউ মনে করছেন এটা বাংলাদেশ, আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি, ওরা আমাদের মতো কথা বলে, ওদের সংস্কৃতি আমাদের সংস্কৃতি এক। কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন, বাংলাদেশ একটা আলাদা রাষ্ট্র, ভারতবর্ষ একটা আলাদা রাষ্ট্র। মোদী বাবু, আপনার পার্টিকে দিয়ে আগুন লাগাচ্ছেন। মনে রাখবেন, বাংলায় যদি আগুন লাগান, আসামও থেমে থাকবে না, নর্থ ইস্টও থেমে থাকবে না, উত্তরপ্রদেশও থেমে থাকবে না, বিহারও থেমে থাকবে না, ঝাড়খণ্ডও থেমে থাকবে না, উড়িষ্যাও থেমে থাকবে না, আর দিল্লিও থেমে থাকবে না। আপনার চেয়ারটা আমরা টলমল করে দেব।
Let's open this up. Guru Prakash, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Riju Datta, national spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress. Karan Verma, political analyst. IP Singh, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Lokesh Jindal, political analyst, completes the panel. Vivek Srivastava will be joining us shortly. Gentlemen, good evening. Dr. Riju Datta, good to have you back on the show. What do you make of this demand? Why should PM Modi answer for Mamata's failures? Who runs the state of West Bengal?
Pranesh, straightforward answer to your question is Mamata Banerjee, the expert that Times Now picked up, was actually answering to the leader of opposition. Today, in a historical bill was passed by the West Bengal Assembly, which was supported unanimously by the BJP as well, which is the Aparajita bill, which has stricter laws for perpetrators of rape and for protection of the victims of rape, because until and unless we instill fear in these animals, India or Bengal cannot be a safe place for women. So BJP has also supported that bill. But when the leader of opposition in the assembly said that we want Mamata Banerjee to resign, like I have been saying on your show for I don't know how many days, that if because of a heinous crime, a chief minister has to resign, then by that same logic, multiple heinous crimes have happened in Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath should resign. Manipur, after all these months, is still burning more than 200 dead, God knows how many rapes. Biren Singh should resign. And India, which is a union of states, and Prime Minister as the the custodian of this country should also resign. That is what she said while answering the leader of opposition. If you ask for my resignation for what happened in Bengal, then look at yourself, introspect. Then Narendra Modi and Amit Shah also should resign because they couldn't keep the women, daughters of this country safe. It was that answer. It was not a separate demand that she made from a public state.
No,
so let me clarify that.
But even with the context that you've added, isn't the demand bizarre? Because the
No,
chief
why?
minister, the home minister, and the health minister in this case is the same person, Ms. Mamta Banerjee. And we are talking
So-
about the alleged lapses on part of the state government. How do you, while I completely understand this debate on cooperative federalism, the spirit, all that, and while people across political lines have come out to support the bill, that is a good thing. But that does not mean that even accountability is shared all across, that let's all resign.
Okay, I'll give you an answer. Times Now has time and again said that the West Bengal government covered up. Right? You also said now, Pranesh, and
No,
with
I said
animal-
for the alleged
for the alleged,
lapse.
alleged.
Yes.
Now I'll give you a simple logic for all your viewers. If there was a cover-up by the hospital authorities, Sandeep Ghosh got arrested because of financial fraud. He did not get arrested in the Arjikar rape and murder. Secondly, if there was cover-up by what BJP is alleging in the state by the Calcutta police. Now, from the commissioner to the local officer in charge, to everybody who has signed the post-mortem report, all the administrators of the hospital are at the disposal of CBI. Now, from 13th of August till now, has CBI arrested any police officer for cover-up? Has CBI arrested any other doctors or anybody else in this rape and murder of this victim? No. Then how can BJP or any other political party say that there was an alleged cover-up, doctors were involved or Calcutta police was trying to hide anything? Then the CBI should call the Calcutta police officers. Have they called? Is BJP doing the investigation? And I'm not being combative here. I'm just being logical. When the CBI has given its status report, which is going to be unveiled on 5th of September, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा. अगर कलकत्ता what as per BJP, अगर कलकत्ता police या hospital कोई भी involved है, तो CBI should call them. BJP is not going to call them.
Okay.
Other parties are not going to call them.
Let's bring in
let's
Guru
be
Prakash.
practical.
Guru Prakash, you heard the arguments of the TMC spokesperson. If you want Mamta Banerjee to resign, the Prime Minister should be introspecting.
No, Pranesh, I think it is a matter of great shame and embarrassment that my very dear friend, who is a very reasonable man, Riju, has to resort to such illogical, baseless and fictitious argument. At the outset, let me make this very clear, Pranesh, that a woman's respect, एक महिला की इज्जत, महिला का सम्मान, महिला की अस्मिता, this cannot be a subject of whataboutery. How can you even think of making a subject so sensitive a matter of political whataboutery? यहां हुआ उसका क्या, वहां हुआ उसका क्या? जहां भी देश के किसी भी हिस्से में किसी भी महिला के साथ किसी प्रकार का दुर्व्यवहार होता है, उसकी निंदा होनी चाहिए, चाहे वहां किसी की सरकार हो. I am firmly taking this stand on your show tonight. But what is very special about Kolkata, what is very special about West Bengal is we have to understand. The Bharatiya Janata Party is not the only one who are protesting. It is the Kolkata High Court, Pranesh. It is the Supreme Court that has taken a suo motu cognizance. It was not the Bharatiya Janata Party. It is the senior Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary who has repeatedly said that there is no democracy in West Bengal. It is the communist parties. It is not solely exclusively the Bharatiya Janata Party who are against this. But the entire Kainat, the whole Kainat is against Mamta Banerjee. I don't understand this. Shuruat se Pranesh, since day one we have been hearing this. Evidence was tampered. Did Bharatiya Janata Party allege this? Kolkata High Court has said there was an institutional support, institutional patronage to the principal Sandeep Ghosh. Bharatiya Janata Party said it. It was the Kolkata High Court, Pranesh. I don't understand this. This is an open and shut case with a clear-cut institutional protection and patronage given to the unlawful criminal elements in the state of West Bengal. And Pranesh, let me also make this very clear. ये कोई पहली बार हो रहा है क्या? And my friend TMC is saying that we brought a bill after 1 month. एक महीने से आप सोच रहे थे कि बिल लेके आएंगे. एहसान किया आपने. आपने एहसान किया, बिल लेकर के आए हैं, अपराजिता बिल लेकर के आए हैं. We have brought a bill. We have brought a bill. What about those Dalit and Adivasi women, Pranesh, in Sandesh Khali? Sandesh Khali, Shahjahan, my friend Riju Datta's party's office bearer, under his patronage, under his tutelage, Dalit and Adivasi women were raped. What about the May 2nd violence? Khela Hobe, and in the name of Khela Hobe, the tandav of violence that was unleashed on the streets of West Bengal, we don't need any clarification, Pranesh. प्रणेश हमें कोई स्पष्टीकरण नहीं चाहिए, but this has to be made very clear. This
Guru
incident
Prakash,
has
while
been
you make that
politicized by
point,
the
the TMC
TMC.
has said, no,
And
one
it is
minute. The
not
Chief
Bharatiya
Minister
Janata
also
Party
said
alone.
that where was the outrage of the BJP in Unnao?
In Unnao, in anywhere in the country, Pranesh, let me make this very clear. We are not here for political tourism.
Right.
Political tourism and for
Can I
want of
come
a
in?
better word, political opportunism. Who indulges in that, Pranesh? You and I very well know. These Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, they go to Hathras, they go to Unnao, but they won't go anywhere where there is a Congress state. So
Okay.
आप बेटी में भेद नहीं कर सकते हैं. You cannot make any
let's open this
distinguish.
up.
You cannot
We've had
make
the
any
opening
discrimination
remarks of the
between
BJP and the TMC. Let's open this up. Dr. Datta, I'll bring you in once again. There are others who haven't spoken. Lokesh Jindal, IP Singh, Vivek Srivastava is finally on the show again. Lokesh Jindal, leaders of the Congress party in West Bengal have been critical of the mishandling by Mamta Banerjee. Today, the Chief Minister is demanding PM Modi's resignation. How do you see that?
Pranesh, there is no doubt that the entire incident could have been handled much better, and the administration could have been more sensitive and should have acted more responsibly. However, there is no denying that there was a major lapse and a major issue that we are not focusing upon. The point is that the doctor was continuously working since last 36 hours, and this is because the government had failed to implement the National Health Policy 2017, whereby it had committed itself to allocate about 2.5% of the GDP for the health sector. When the government talks about all forms of allocations, who will take care of the health workers? Today, the health workers, right from Anganwadi, auxiliary midwife, the resident doctors, all of them, they are working continuously more than 24 hours. The
No, obviously
government
there is 1 minute.
Allocate.
Lokesh, what you're saying is right. These are policy issues. We can most certainly have a debate on that, and we've had that discussion in the past on these issues. I'm asking you a specific question. Is the Chief Minister right in demanding PM's resignation?
Well, Pranesh, as Riju pointed out, that the Chief Minister was answering a question that was asked to her, that in case there is any form of a incident like this, does it amount to the Chief Minister submitting the resignation? In that case, the Chief Minister replied that in states in India, in fact, all over India, when the Manipur violence occurred, did Biren Singh resign? All over India, when there are incidents like this, when there is some form of a crime that happens, is this the ground to ask the Prime Minister to resign? So in that note,
But
she
you're
had
not answering
stated
my
it.
question. You are repeating
If
what
the
I said.
BJP
You
if
are
after-
repeating the question. No.
No.
This
If
whataboutery
after
won't
the
do.
train incident, we
Lokesh,
have
please.
that
I'm sorry. I'm
resigning
sorry.
as
You're
the
not
Prime
answering the
Minister.
question. In fact, you are justifying the demand of PM's resignation by the TMC. Karan Verma, the Prime Minister should apologize. ये सुना था हमने. आज आ गया. Prime Minister must resign. And this comes, like I said in the beginning, after the threat that we will topple your chair. Why should the PM resign? Because there was a 14-hour delay in registration of FIR. Why should the PM resign? Because the RG College Hospital was vandalized by a mob. The RG principal was reinstated within hours. These are the grounds on which Mamta Banerjee wants PM Modi to resign.
So, Pranesh, first of all, I'm glad that Riju Datta is not combative today and he's talking reasonably. So, because he's raised this reasonable question that why should Prime Minister not resign and why on one incident should the CM of a state be asked to resign, I'll answer him. I'll answer him directly. This is not just one episode. And even in this one incident, it's the state government's complete failure and patronage. Riju Datta must remember 7,000 vandals took to the streets on the night of 14th and 15th and botched the crime area and attacked the doctors who were sitting in protest. What does he have to say about his minister who said, if you raise a finger against Mamta, I will break those fingers. Those fingers should be broken. What does he have to say to the questions that you raised? Why was the principal given a plum posting? Why was the principal later reinstated even as an OSD? Why was this termed as a suicide case? And Pranesh, this has been going on for far too long. 2021, the GIA, the group of intellectuals and academicians, the report of post-poll violence, it said that sexual violence was a tool used. At that time, TMC rubbished it away. They did not answer it. After that, Mamta rationalized things. She said it's a love affair gone wrong for the rape that happened in Ansakali of a minor. She said that Sandesh Khali was staged. And this time again, she attacked the protesters. In fact, the counsel from the protesters filed an affidavit in the court and said that we are not feeling safe. Justice Pardiwala gave a scathing indictment and said, I've never seen such a lapse of procedure in 30 years of my professional life. In fact, this broke all party lines. I must say that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was there on the streets. Even the left, certain people took to the streets and said what has happened is a complete abject failure of the administration. So this rests with the Mamta government. That is why we are saying Mamta must resign. To rubbish it away and say, the Prime Minister must resign. Politics is about accountability, Rijuda. And today accountability demands that Mamta Banerjee, for her sheer lapses, for her complete lack of sensitivity and seriousness on this case, must step down and set an example.
Be given a chance to answer, Pranesh.
Sure, Dr. Datta, go ahead.
Thank you. Now let me, because people are very erudite and educated on this panel, let me give them the NCRB data of 2023 NCRB report. Crime against women per 1 lakh population. The lowest is Chennai 7.3, second is Kolkata 24.9, and highest is Delhi 65.7. Then there is Hyderabad, Mumbai, everything else in between. So my logic is this. This is a third time elected government. BJP has too much love for Adhir Chaudhary today. You know, when Adhir Chaudhary, a 5-time MP, went head-on against Mamta Banerjee, what happened? He came third from his constituency and lost. He did not get the people's mandate. The election was conducted by the National Election Commission in presence of central forces. So until unless people here say that the National Election Commission and central forces are at the beck and call of Mamta Banerjee, whatever the people of Bengal have mandated Mamta Banerjee. Number one. Number two, when you are asking for Mamata Banerjee's resignation, you are saying your Mamata Banerjee is accountable. Will these same people ask for Yogi Adityanath's resignation after Unnao and Hathras mein to dead body tak मिला नहीं था, police जला दिया था बच्चे का body. Does anybody on this panel, hand on heart, think Biren Singh should still stay as the Chief Minister of Manipur? Forget Narendra Modi, Biren Singh should stay there. And last but not the least, Guru Prakash, my dear friend, a very erudite speaker, he said that we are doing political tourism. It's high time BJP stops rape tourism. It's high time BJP stops vulture politics. It's high time BJP introspects. If Mamata Banerjee, again I will say, when people here on this panel are saying people were covered up, there were a lot of efforts made, why these people were not called by the CBI? Who's doing the investigation? Why is BJP not called the hospital authorities and jailed them? Why has BJP not called the Calcutta police officers who have done this investigation and arrested them if they have done anything? CBI is not doing anything. Just by giving lip service on Times Now for 2 minutes of fame is not going to deflect us from the actual situation on the ground. And Guru Prakash should also understand that Bengal is the safest place for women in this country. It has always been, it will always will be. It is time for the union government to follow what Bengal government has done today and bring in more stricter laws to make
Dr.
India
Datta,
a safe place for women.
Dr. Datta, you began by, talking about the mandate. I just want to ask you a fundamental question. Whether it is a, mandate for a 3rd term, 5th term, 10th term, does the mandate give you a guarantee to preside over a mess? You tell me, sir.
I will give you straight answers, Pranesh, and I have always done that.
No, and the reason I'm asking you because...
I'm giving you the answer. I'm giving you. Karan asked 2 very specific questions. And both the questions were answered by none other than the Commissioner of Police of Calcutta who was investigating. On 14th night, what happened was a mistake on the police's part of the police. The Commissioner of Police said, we have made a mistake in our assessment. No doubts about it. I am the first one to say the plum posting of Sandeep Ghosh as soon as he submitted his resignation was a wrong decision.
If a mistake in a case as sensitive as this happens, shouldn't the Chief Minister first ask the resignation of the CP? What action have you taken against the Commissioner of Police who was blaming the media for the mob entering the hospital, Dr. Datta? I mean, you were talking about, placing the hand on heart. You tell me, sir. would you go and, present the NCRB data to the parents of the victim? Can
I
you
will
say
only
that
tell you
Bengal
that
is the safest for women? I'm just saying, Dr. Datta, we can't. It is insensitive. Let's bring in the others. IP Singh ji, आपने डिबेट सुना होगा. ममता बनर्जी बोल रही है मोदी जी को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए. क्या ये डिमांड सही है?
स्वयं इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए भारत के प्रधानमंत्री को. स्वयं गृह मंत्री को यह बात स्वीकार करना चाहिए कि जब उत्तर प्रदेश में वो आए 2022 के विधानसभा चुनाव में, उन्होंने कहा कि 16 से 18 साल की लड़की रात के 12 बजे शरीर पर गहने लादकर स्कूटी से कहीं भी आ जा सकती है. हालात उत्तर प्रदेश में इतने खराब हैं कि फर्रुखाबाद में 2 दलित बेटियों को रेप के बाद मार दिया गया, उस केस को दबा दिया गया, डेड बॉडी को परिवार वालों को छूने नहीं दिया गया. उस दूसरे दिन बगल में मैनपुरी है, वहां इस तरह के हादसे हुए. अभी लखनऊ में एक सप्ताह के अंदर मुख्यमंत्री आवास से चंद कदम दूरी पर गैंग रेप की दुर्घटना हुई. कल दुर्घटना एक फिल्म बनाने, गाने के बहाना देकर गाड़ी के अंदर गैंग रेप हुआ. बदलापुर में हुआ. अंकिता भंडारी के साथ क्या हुआ? क्या कभी प्रणय जी या कभी मेन स्ट्रीम की मीडिया उन जगहों पर जाकर हमारी बहन बेटियों के दुख दर्द को सुनने का काम किया? आज सच मैं अपने किसी मित्र को सुन रहा था, उन्होंने कहा कि अगर कहीं बहन बेटियां सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित हैं तो पश्चिम बंगाल में हैं. उत्तर प्रदेश पर क्यों नहीं बीजेपी कुछ बोलती? क्यों नहीं उत्तराखंड, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र पर मौन है? क्यों महामहिम जी मौन है?
आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर महिलाएं सबसे ज्यादा सेफ हैं तो वो बंगाल में है. एक मिनट, आईपी सिंह जी, आपने कहा कि अगर महिलाएं कहीं सेफ हैं तो वो बंगाल में है. मैं आपको बता देता हूं, कांग्रेस ने प्रोटेस्ट किया वहां पे महिला विमेन सेफ्टी पे. लेफ्ट ने वहां मोर्चा निकाला है. लेफ्ट वाज आल्सो प्रोटेस्टिंग, स्लैमिंग द अलेज्ड मिसरूल ऑफ द ममता एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आईपी सिंह जी, अब आपके जो बहुत खास दोस्त हैं विवेक श्रीवास्तव, अब उनसे सवाल पूछते हैं और फिर मैं आपके पास वापस आऊंगा. अखिलेश जी का एक बयान है, मैं आपके पास आ रहा हूं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, डू यू बिलीव बंगाल is the safest state for women? Is Mamta right in demanding PM Modi's resignation? Who should answer for the RG Kaur case? Mamta Banerjee, the Chief Minister, or Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister?
You see, unfortunately, all our debates across the channels have boiled down to मेरे राज्य का rape versus तुम्हारे राज्य का rape. So it's my state's rape versus your state's rape. It's my state statistics of NCRB versus your states. So my chief minister should not resign, your chief minister should resign. And I mean, that is what is basically happening. Nobody is sitting together and trying to find out solutions as to how to stop this. 3,500 rapes in Uttar Pradesh in 1 year. Okay, I'm not saying resign and this and that and all, but who solves the problem? And what is the solution? Is making a chief minister resign the only way that we can sort it out? You make a few reds hold, yes, that will tighten the situation a little bit. But I mean, this needs more action and more deliberation. If we go by the logic of what the BJP is saying and also what the TMC is saying, then I think the chief ministers on both the sides should resign. Let the chief minister of Manipur resign. Let the chief minister of UP resign. Let the chief minister of Bengal also resign in that case. And because the prime minister was silent on Manipur for 2 months and spoke and broke his silence only when the court gave a strict warning and sort of raised the issue. And then Brijbhushan Saran Singh, there was a big drama for one particular street of Kaisarganj. The prime minister remained silent. Then in that case, the prime minister should also resign. So I mean, this spree of everybody asking for everybody's resignation.
Vivek,
I mean, fine, you want to make each other resign, that, go ahead.
You know,
but
it is very well for
need
you to come and say this on the show, on national television. Let's extend this logic and ask you this simple question.
Yes.
Then why were left cadres out on streets in Bengal protesting?
Yes.
You should not have protested. ये तो protest free था.
Absolutely.
Why did you protest?
No, absolutely not. All I am trying to say.
Was this a photo start by the left? Why did you
yes,
protest?
we protest because something was wrong.
Were you?
Yes, we protested.
Why?
We protested. Yes, I'll tell you. across this country, and yes, especially in West Bengal because we also protested. So I'll tell you, also in UP, where I've given you the NCRB data, the status of safety of women is abysmally poor, sir. The police,
But
the
Dr.
Prashashan,
Datta, but
the
Dr.
collectors,
Datta is
the
saying
district magistrates,
women in Bengal are
people
the
sitting
safest.
yeah.
Bengal is safest for women. You are saying the record is abysmally poor. You were protesting.
No, possibly, yeah. No, abysmally poor for... No. Listen to me now. If an incident occurs and if we feel the administration is lax, any opposition party will protest. We were in the opposition. We see a government. We feel something is not going right. We have to protest because that is what we are there in the politics for.
So should you
And
be
on the other
protesting?
hand,
1 minute,
the same
Vivek
thing was
Srivastava, then
being
should you
done
be
in UP?
protesting against the chief minister or the prime minister? Why were you
Yeah.
protesting in Bengal?
Yes.
Was the protest aimed at Mamata Banerjee or Narendra Modi?
Because something bad happened. We were
Something
not
bad
very-
happened.
We were... No, we
You know,
were
this lip
protesting
service
against...
on women's safety
yeah,
and
no,
this
listen. I'll be very clear.
complete shield on
Yeah.
alliance,
No,
people can see through this. Vivek Srivastava. आईपी सिंह जी, आपने अपने कमेंट में बड़ी बड़ी बातें की. मैं कन्नौज रेप में जो हुआ, डीएनए सैंपल मैच हो गया, सपा के वो पूर्व नेता थे, उस पे तो बाद में आऊंगा. अखिलेश यादव का एक बयान है, वो आप सुन लीजिए, फिर मैं सवाल पूछता हूं आपसे. उन्होंने आज ये कहा है, सुन लीजिए आईपी सिंह जी.
हाल ही में जो बंगाल में घटना हुई, जिसमें सरकार हालांकि काम कर रही थी, लेकिन सरकार को बदनाम करने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी सबसे आगे थी. उत्तर प्रदेश में आप जानते होंगे कई घटनाएं हुई हैं. कन्नौज, फरक्काबाद में, गोरखपुर, जो आंकड़े बताते हैं उसमें उत्तर प्रदेश सबसे आगे है. महिलाएं जिसमें उत्पीड़न हो रहा है, उनके साथ अन्याय हो रहा है, जाने जा रही हैं, उनके सम्मान के साथ खिलवाड़ हो रही है. जो काम सरकार को करना चाहिए या पुलिस को, वो सरकार नहीं कर रही है.
आईपी सिंह जी, अखिलेश यादव ये कह रहे हैं कि वेस्ट बंगाल की जो सरकार है वो न्याय दिलाने का काम कर रही है, लेकिन यूपी में अखिलेश जी कह रहे हैं कि योगी गवर्नमेंट शुड आंसर. ये दोहरा मापदंड कैसे हो गया?
ये सुन लीजिए ना, मुझे भी 2 मिनट बोल लेने दीजिए. एंटी रेप बिल आज विधानसभा में पास हुआ. यह सच है, उन्होंने कहा कि अगर कोमा में कोई भी लड़की जाती है या उसकी हत्या होती है, 10 दिन में फांसी देंगे. उत्तर प्रदेश में बीएचयू जो बनारस हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय है, 3 पदाधिकारी बीजेपी के गैंग रेप करते हैं उस आईआईटी की छात्रा के साथ. उस केस को 2 महीने पुलिस दबाए रहती है. मध्य प्रदेश में चुनाव होता है, उन पदाधिकारियों की फोटो प्रधानमंत्री के साथ, गृह मंत्री के साथ, बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष नड्डा के साथ, मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ के साथ, स्मृति ईरानी के साथ, स्वतंत्र देव के साथ, डजन ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स एंड सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर्स के साथ उनकी फोटो. उन्हें बमुश्किल धरा गया, उनके घरों पर बुलडोजर नहीं चला. प्रणेश जी, इतनी खराब पैरवी की गई, 5 महीने में वो बलात्कारी बाहर आ गए. प्रधानमंत्री को देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए. क्या वो हमारी बेटी, क्या वो आईआईटीएन बेटी हमारी बेटी नहीं है? कल जो लखनऊ में रेप हुआ को, क्या वो उस पर देश की मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया को डिबेट नहीं करना चाहिए? क्या देश की मीडिया को फर्रुखाबाद, मैनपुरी और इन अंकिता भंडारी के मामले में ट्रायल नहीं करना चाहिए? आप एक मामले को लेकर पूरे पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार को बीजेपी ने डिस्टर्ब कर रखा है.
बीजेपी ने डिस्टर्ब कर रखा है. आप क्या कह रहे हैं? इंडिया अलायंस के लोग जो है वहां प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. देखिए, 1 मिनट आईपी सिंह जी, 1 मिनट. गुरु प्रकाश कुछ दिखा रहे हैं, वी विल गो टू 1 मिनट. लोकेश जिंदल को आपने सुन लिया, विवेक श्रीवास्तव को सुन लिया, वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं वहां बंगाल में. आप लोग अलायंस पार्टनर हैं, वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं ममता बनर्जी के अगेंस्ट, और आप सर्टिफिकेट बांट रहे हैं यहां पे, और ये दोहरा मापदंड पे आपने जवाब नहीं दिया. और आप जो फोटो की बात कर रहे हैं, 1 मिनट आईपी सिंह जी, कन्नौज रेप केस में जिस अक्यूज का डीएनए मैच हुआ, रुक जाइए आईपी सिंह जी, कन्नौज केस में जिस आरोपी का डीएनए मैच हुआ है, क्या उनकी तस्वीर नहीं है अखिलेश यादव के साथ? उसका क्या मतलब होता है? तो ये क्या है, आप
बिल्कुल,
स्टैंड नहीं ले पा
मैं
रहे
गारंटी के
सर,
साथ
क्योंकि
कहता
जो
हूं,
माइंडसेट
तस्वीर
है,
लेकिन 5
माइंडसेट है,
बीजेपी की गोद में बैठा
नहीं,
है।
आपको महिला
5
नहीं
सालों
बचाना है,
के
आपको
मंत्रियों के
अपना
साथ
अलायंस
है।
बचाना है,
उत्तर
दैट्स द
प्रदेश
प्रॉब्लम।
के मंत्री और प्रदेश अध्यक्ष और
Karan,
मुख्यमंत्री के साथ
Karan,
है
you
वो।
see,
और इस
like Dr. Datta said in the beginning, that we were all glad that all parties came together and supported the bill unanimously. But that kind of bipartisan, of coming together of political parties, rising above political lines to bat for justice, that we haven't seen. It's politics first.
Absolutely not. And Pranesh, it was there in your show right now. IP Singh ji se ek shabd nahi bola gaya about the ineptitude of the TMC government in West Bengal. He did not question them even once. He immediately went to Madhya Pradesh, to Hathras, to Kannauj. One rape is too much. For the matter of fact, every rape is condemnable and there should be a harshest punishment. But why can't he say a word against the lapses in the West Bengal government? Why? Why hasn't Akhilesh spoken even once? Why hasn't Priyanka Vadra gone to the site? The woman who says ladki hu lad sakti hu was dying to get to Hathras and every place. Why hasn't she yet gone to West Bengal? And why hasn't she voiced her concern like Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has? The fact is, Pranesh, they are bound by politics. Till they don't rise above politics, alas, this malaise of rape, this malaise of women's security being endangered will continue. And that's the sad reality. Because people like IP Singh Saab are not able to rise above party lines. Jo hai, usko boliye. Right now we are talking about West Bengal. Don't look here and there. Talk about this specific case and demand accountability. That is what is the need of the hour.
उठ रहा, उन्हें बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर लेना चाहिए। उनकी कंपनियां, उनके लोग तो बीजेपी में सब जगह ठेकेदारी कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस में अटके हुए हैं। अधीर रंजन के तो कारस्तानी हो, सबको पता है।
ठीक है, अधीर रंजन के सवाल पे लोकेश जिंदल क्या जवाब देंगे?
He has a spine. He at least spoke out.
Pranesh, Karan, who is very erudite.
No. It's not about Karan. Lokesh, I want you to answer this. Who is right on Bengal? Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary or IP Singh?
What about Manipur? What about the incidents that have happened under the BJP? Let us not be selective like this. The point is, no. Please, Pranesh, I want to make a point over here. Yes, the West Bengal government has rectified the error. It has come out with a bill, a very stringent bill, which is much more stringent than even the POSCO Act. So the idea is the government has taken adequate
but
measures.
Who is questioning the bill? Lokesh, the debate is not on the bill.
I understand
there is no problem with the bill. And you are talking about Manipur. We've had debates on this channel. I have said that the Manipur Chief Minister must go because he's not been able to control law and order. Will you say the same thing about the West Bengal government? You will not. IP Singh will not. Vivek Srivastava will not. Because you see, alliance matters more than anything else. We will have to move on, viewers. I thank some of you for joining us on debate number 1.